In this part, we are going to add this logo to our web page, so we can go to the global styles, and inside the styles, we add a class of Instagram logo, and then we save it, and which has a background image of this URL. And if we go to this URL, you can see this image, and we can have the position of 0 pixels. And if you drag this line to the top of the Instagram logo, you can see this is 130 pixels. So we get this value is negative 130 pixels, and we set the height and width like this. So after we get this class, we already add this, so we can go back to the login page, and then we replace this with h1, and then the class name is Instagram logo. And if we save it, we already can see the logo appeared in our web page. So the next thing we have to deal with is to make this rectangle shape with the light gray border. So we go to the div, and then we want to add the border, and then we want to add the border gray of 300, and then we set the width of 80 pixels, and then the padding top of 8 units and padding bottom of 4 units, and then we have the flash and the flash column, and then we have the item centers, and so we have the flash in the column directions. And if we add the item center here, we should expect that it will align vertically center. So if we back to our website, and you can see it aligned vertically center. So later, if we add this input field, we can expect this also aligned vertically center. And just like the finished version,